One payroll engagement objective is to determine whether segregation of duties is proper. Which of the following activities is incompatible? Okay, so we have a segregation of duties question. And whenever you have an SOD question, you should consider ARC. And if you don't remember what ARC is, it's the authorization of the transaction, the recording of the transaction, and the custody of the assets. And remember, we're looking for a proper separation of these roles. All right. The other thing to remember here in this question is, which of the following activities is incompatible? Which means there's only one answer choice that's going to reflect that. So there should be 3 sets of roles here that are compatible. Okay, so answer choice A states, hiring employees and authorizing changes in pay rates. All right, for starters, there's only one aspect of segregation of duties here, which is authorization. Hiring employees is a form of authorization, and authorizing changes in those pay rates are both personnel functions. So this is, in fact, compatible. Answer choice B, preparing the payroll and filing the payroll tax forms, involves recording in both instances. And these are both functions that exist within the payroll function. So this would also be considered to be compatible. And we could eliminate answer choice B. Answer choice C, signing and distributing payroll checks, is also compatible. It only includes one aspect effectively, custody. Don't get confused here with the signing of the check as authorization. In both cases, signing and distributing is considered part of custody. Answer choice C, therefore, would be compatible and is not the right answer. That leaves us with one answer, which for our sake better be incompatible. Preparing attendance data and preparing the payroll. It would be incompatible for someone to be in a position where they could adjust the payroll hours and then subsequently prepare the payroll. Think about it. If you could just adjust your hours up without oversight, and then prepare your own payroll where you get paid more without supervision over that payroll, then you'd potentially have a much larger paycheck. And while this sounds really good at the front end, the back end, if you get caught, is probably not going to be a happy place for you. This is an example of 2 duties, authorization and recording. So attendance data are accumulated by the supervisor who authorizes payment for the hours or days worked. Payroll is a record-keeping function. Payroll uses authorized attendance to calculate and prepare the payroll. For control purposes, these 2 functions should be separated, and therefore answer choice D is the right answer.